The following program is classified M, recommended for viewing by mature audiences 15 years and over. It contains violence, coarse language, drug use and/or drug references, and mature themes. Use of the parental control system is advised.
It was a peaceful and pleasant day on the Fat Bastards Railway. There was hardly any confusion and delay. Edward was just resting after pulling a goods train when Percy rushed in with shock.
Edward, I got a problem.
Okay, what's up?
I was supposed to pull some coaches for Gordon at the station, but I don't know which one is Gordon.
Give me a look.
When Edward and Percy went to the station, they saw Henry and Gordon, and that was where the problem began.
Hey Gordon, I got your coaches ready.
Great, I better get Ray.
Henry, I said Gordon.
Have you lost your fucking mind? I'm not Gordon.
How?
Well, for starters, I am an LMS Stanier Class 5460 and was formerly an LNERA-1 C1 hybrid. Gordon, on the other hand, is the prototype for the LNERA-1 A3 Class 462 aka the A0. Gordon is the number 4 and he's blue, but I'm the number 3 in green.
Oh fuck, I didn't realize that. I could be colorblind.